Now, KVU First Alert Weather with Chief Meteorologist Brianna Berman-Solo.
A few different weather elements to be aware of today. It is still breezy this morning. You'll hear the winds gusting at times as you're getting ready to head out the door right now and over the next several hours. Cloudy this morning. We've seen wind gusts anywhere from about 25 to 35 miles per hour, so it's not quite as windy as yesterday, but it is chilly out there with the wind chill. Cloudy skies turn to mostly clear skies by this evening. We'll see fewer clouds today. It is much colder by the time we've reached tonight. So this morning we're in the 30s, and the temperatures this morning are about 50 to 20 degrees colder than this time yesterday. It was very mild before we saw the gusty winds yesterday, even a few showers. You'll need the warm jackets this morning as our temperatures have dropped down to freezing or just right around freezing. Sunglasses necessary as that sunshine returns this afternoon, and our highs climb back up into the 30s and 40s. Now the exception here of being warmer than yesterday, Cle Elum, 37 degrees, will technically be colder as you're seeing a little bit more snow this morning. 40s in Yakima, 47 degrees in the Tri-Cities, 49 degrees Hanford, very similar to our afternoon temperatures yesterday. Dayton, Walla Walla, Pendleton, 30s and 40s today, where we were warm to start yesterday, much colder over the foothills of the Blues. You can see as we track the mountain snow from Pendleton east over I-84 and then north up to Walla Walla. It's a very light snow band. This will be the last round of snow after a foot accumulated in the Blues, and we saw a foot over the Cascades. That's coming to an end this morning as well. Our winter weather advisories will expire in the mountains as we look ahead to the future. 7 o'clock this morning until this evening, clearing skies from north to south. We're going to see cold air moving in from the north, Arctic air, and that will allow for cooler temperatures today. You can see the snow that wraps up this morning over the Blues will be short-lived. Breezy and then clearing conditions much calmer this afternoon for your Valentine's Day in the Tri-Cities. 40s during the daylight hours, 20s overnight. We're going to be in the 30s by the time we hit 8 o'clock this evening. By midnight, 20s. So if you are headed out with loved ones or a loved one this evening, make sure you're wearing a warm jacket and gloves necessary this tomorrow morning. Yakima getting down to 22 degrees tonight. Very cold, sub-freezing temperatures tomorrow morning. 40s with sunshine, mild afternoons otherwise for the rest of the week, and 50s for the weekend ahead. Jill?
At least 3 people have been killed and another 5 injured in a shooting at Michigan State University. The shooting started late Monday night and took place in 2 separate locations on campus. ABC's Ike Ajachi is in Washington with the latest details.
This morning, a tragedy on the